For our final project, we built a digital keypad lock security system. To do this, we used a Texas Instruments LaunchPad with an MSP430 G2553 microcontroller. This microcontroller was programmed via Code Composer Studios to read an input from a 16-digit keypad, display values input from the keypad to a 4-digit, 7-segment LED display using I2C serial communications, compare user input with a pre-programmed password, and use pulse width modulation, or PWM, in order to control a position servo motor if the input and password match, or a speaker alarm if not. Here it can be seen that when the password is correct, the servo motor rotates 90 degrees. The position of the servo motor is determined by changing the duty cycle applied in the PWM code. A button is pushed in order to return the servo motor to its original locked position. Conversely, it can be seen that when the password entered is not correct, the servo motor remains locked and an alarm is sounded.